In today's video, I will walk you through how to draw a dotted line in AutoCAD. To begin, draw a line in your drawing using any method you prefer. This will be the line that you will convert into a dotted line pattern. Once the line is created, type L-type into the command line and press Enter. This will open the Linetype Manager window, where you can view the available line types in your drawing. In the Linetype Manager, select the dotted line type you want to use. If the dotted line type is not available, you can load or import a new line type from this window. After selecting the dotted line type, return to your drawing and select the line you want to modify. Next, go to the Home tab and locate the Properties panel. Find the Line Type drop-down menu, which is located near the Color and Line Weight options. Click the drop-down menu and choose the dotted line type you selected. Once applied, the regular line will immediately change into a dotted line pattern. You can use the same process to change other lines in your drawing by selecting them and applying the desired line type from the Properties panel. And that's how to draw a dotted line in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.